Finding your way. What is GPS? Have you ever wondered how your smartphone can pinpoint your exact location, or how your car's navigation system guides you through unfamiliar streets? GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It's a network of satellites orbiting the Earth, sending signals to receivers on the ground. This remarkable technology tells you your exact location on Earth by calculating the distance from multiple satellites to your device. Imagine having a personal guide that always knows where you are, whether you're in a bustling city, a remote desert, or even deep in a forest. That's the power of GPS. It not only shows your location, but also helps you find the best route to your destination. GPS is essential for navigation, helping drivers find their way through traffic. Pilots navigate the skies with precision, and hikers explore new trails without getting lost. It has become an indispensable tool for countless applications, from everyday activities to professional tasks, making our lives easier, safer, and more connected than ever before. A constellation in space GPS satellites. The GPS system relies on a network of satellites orbiting Earth. These satellites are like celestial beacons, constantly transmitting signals from space. There are at least 24 GPS satellites operational at any given time, ensuring global coverage. These satellites are strategically positioned in precise orbits, approximately 12,550 miles above Earth. Their high altitude allows them to cover vast areas and provide signals to users worldwide. Messages from above GPS signals. These signals are crucial for navigation and timing. GPS satellites transmit radio signals that travel at the speed of light, which is approximately 299,792 kilometers per second. These signals carry essential information about the satellite's location in space and the exact time the signal was sent, down to the nanosecond. When your GPS receiver picks up these signals, it can calculate how far away each satellite is by measuring the time it took for the signals to arrive. By analyzing the signals from multiple satellites, your receiver can triangulate your position on Earth with remarkable accuracy, often within a few meters. The more satellites your receiver can see, the more precise your location fix will be. This is why GPS works best in open areas with a clear view of the sky. Section 4. Guardians of Accuracy Ground Stations. While GPS satellites are the stars of the show, ground stations play a crucial role in maintaining the system's accuracy. These stations are located around the world and constantly monitor the satellite's orbits and signal integrity. Ground stations ensure that the satellites are functioning correctly and that their clocks remain synchronized. They also update the satellite's information, such as their orbital positions, to maintain the system's overall precision. Section 5. Triangulating your location, how receivers work. Your GPS receiver is the brains of the operation. It's a sophisticated piece of technology that plays a crucial role in determining your exact location on Earth. It receives signals from multiple GPS satellites orbiting the Earth. These satellites constantly send out signals, and your receiver picks up these signals to use a process called Trilateration to calculate your precise position. Imagine drawing circles around each satellite, with the radius of each circle representing the distance to your receiver. This is a simplified way to understand how trilateration works. The point where these circles intersect is your location. This intersection point is calculated by your GPS receiver using complex algorithms and data from the satellites. By receiving signals from at least 4 satellites, your GPS receiver can determine your latitude, longitude, and altitude with impressive accuracy. This allows you to navigate, find directions, and even track your movements in real time. Section 6. GPS in everyday life, from navigation to exploration. GPS technology has revolutionized countless aspects of our lives. From navigation apps on our smartphones to tracking systems for packages and vehicles, GPS has become an indispensable part of the modern world. It plays a vital role in emergency services, allowing first responders to locate and assist people in need. GPS is also used in agriculture, surveying, and even wildlife tracking, demonstrating its vast range of applications.